What's good, YouTube, man? We back with another one, man. Just a little POV, I guess. Not gonna do too much talking in this one. Just gotta go to the grocery store, hit a couple stores. Wanna smoke some wings later today, so just gotta go buy some things that I need. So I just thought I'd record the drive. I just wanna say I appreciate all the likes, the views, the subscribers to the channel. If you haven't already, please just like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I would appreciate it. The channel is growing a lot. I have to be more consistent. I'm trying to hit trying to get at least 5 days, not trying to do more than 5 days. I go out and I record stuff, but sometimes, the recording's not good or it doesn't sound too great, so that's why it's kind of not worth it. But yeah, it's got the window tint, so I also wanted to see what that looks like in the videos. To me, it looks like it's always gonna rain, even though it does kind of like it's gonna rain from the front, but out the side, even when it's sunny areas, it looks like it's gonna rain. Damn, I don't know why my easy squeak is so much on this pedal. Boo boo. Now that the window tint here, I think next it's either they're gonna do the brake light. Yo, what's up, dude? I think I want to do the 4th brake light install. I think I want to do that next. Either that. I've been looking at Tomei's. That's the exhaust I'm headed. I'll definitely be getting a Tomei. I think that's where it is. I've been seeing a lot of comments, really been helping me out a lot. People's opinions and whatnot. But I heard a few sound clips as well. Well, quite a few sound clips on YouTube. And I've seen, and heard exhaust in person as well. So NVIDIA does have a great sound from the outside, but I've heard a lot of people saying that it drones. Some people just try to avoid commenting on the drone, but the people who do comment on the drone on their NVIDIA, I guess review videos, they do say that it has a little bit of drone. And I would have thought the Tomei would have had more drone. But I've been seeing a lot of people saying that the Tomei has little to none. But the stock exhaust definitely has a drone, because I hear it even on the highway speeds, and it's not bad, but it is kind of annoying. So I think I want to get a Tomei and compare the two, which one has worse drone on the highway at that speed, because this is kind of bad. It doesn't sound the best, but I bet a Tomei would sound better. So I think that's where I'm leaning towards the Tomei single exit exhaust. Because I am going to keep this stock for the most part as well. And someone did give me that comment. Tomei sound better with the stock setup. So we're going to be stock for the most part for a while. And then you keep this bad boy healthy. I saw a video the other day, STI 2019 blowing up at 56,000 miles or 53,000, which I thought was kind of crazy. So it kind of scared me a little bit. So we're gonna take care of this. But his had a lot of things done to it as well. So it's really how you take care of them and how you treat them. squeaking that you guys are hearing is my slide against my silicone slide against the pedal. Sorry if it's annoying. I'll definitely wear different shoes next video. Future videos. What's good, YouTube? We back. Just left Walmart. I told you I was gonna continue, or make a video continuing. Didn't really get everything we needed, but we got most of the stuff we needed. You go to Wegmans. I was planning on going to Wegmans to get the rest, but I at least wanted to get some juice. At least they had no juice. I don't know what's up with Walmart not having juice. Sometimes I want something nice, cold, and fruity, you know what I mean? Everybody almost has like a car space between them and the white line. But I'm in my own lane, so I'm zooming past about it. Yikes, look at buddy. What are you going to do? I don't know if y'all can see him, but this guy. My takeoff kind of depends on sound, like me driving. I don't know if you guys are the same, but like I just know how to shift and take off and first based off me hearing the car. I don't really need to see or anything. I can just hear and know that I'm giving it enough gas or whatever. I don't know if you guys are the same, but yeah, mine kind of depends on that. It's kind of weird, I know. Gotta wait a few days before I can put the windows down or wash the car, and then probably take another picture or two to post on Instagram. Car with the tints, another update. Try to use that Instagram to track the progress of the car and how it looks from time to time. Just need to find a cool spot to take some pictures or to take a picture. Looks pretty cool, I guess. If you guys haven't already, follow me on Instagram, TrapWrx, same as the YouTube descriptions, and the link is in the description. If you're watching on a phone, you can just click that logo, I guess, and should take you straight there if you have Instagram. everything's gonna sound nice. Windows up or down. Can't just get it either, man. I'm not made of money, so I don't think I'm gonna get a Tome next week. I gotta work for that. I'm a working adult like a lot of us here. We gotta work for what we want and work for the things that we want.
Police reported ahead.
Whew. I hope he don't pull me over with tints and no inspection. Second gear is something to be messed with. Third gear is something else, man. When the car is moving, man, third gear is something. Might be a good spot though. Come get some good pulls at night with the Tome. I need to find me a nice straight where I could go through the gears. Roads are so shitty here, man. Really wish we had better roads in Mass, but pay so much in taxes, you would think.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Not gonna lie, man, the STI is freaking dialed compared to the WRX.